Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a BMW. So if you have BMW 3 and 4 series guys, the video will be super helpful to you guys. We will explain where your thermostat is located. So this is the 4-cylinder gasoline engine. Stay with us guys. As you know, 3 and 4 series, they share the same platform. Many of the components are the same. They use the same engines guys. The video should apply to multiple models. Some that I will name 320i, 328, 420, 428i, and it may be helpful actually on the 316, 318 and 418 as well. Now if you need to see where the thermostat is located, and we will guys explain about the replacement and all that, stay with us. Another thing guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make more than 200 videos guys, and on this one specifically we will have close to 300, 400 videos. Why we guys do all that? Why we take our cars completely apart guys? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful, and give a like and subscribe so we can keep providing those free videos to you guys and teach you how to fix your car on your own. If you need to buy a new replacement thermostat, any car parts, tools, if you need to buy coolant for your BMW, as you know we use a special coolant, we'll have the links in the description of the video below, so please check it out. All that will be shared there for your convenience. This is guys 328 that we'll demonstrate on, but actually it will work on multiple 3 and 4 series models as I said. Now let me open the hood and we'll do some disassembly. Okay, in order to get to the thermostat and show you where it's located, we'll be removing the air filter box. Stay with us, that's what we'll be doing. Another thing now guys, as you know we have 3 channels. If you want to see the whole replacement thermostat video with draining the coolant, because there is no actually drain plug, there is no easy way to drain it, we have a trick that we use here at the shop. Drain the coolant, how to drain it, we explain how to do it so it's not so dangerous, because otherwise you can severely hurt yourself. And how to replace the thermostat, all that will be on our main channel, How to Repair guys, check it out. We will also have guys on our third channel, Electrical Car Repair Live, we have electrical videos coming on that BMW, engine codes, transmission codes, and how to test the different components. For instance, on How to Repair guys, we just finished replacing on BMW N20 that same engine here guys, failed timing chain and only 87,000 miles, so everything from start to finish is there. Now let's go ahead and start on the thermostat quick. So now guys, let me show you what we'll be doing here. Okay, we need to go ahead and get one hose clamp loose. Okay, this one right there, I'm getting it loose now. Okay, perfect, just like that. I need to disconnect the mass airflow sensor, so press in here, pull it out. Perfect. Now we need to disconnect that hose from the clamps. Okay, now we need to point this way so I can show you. Here we have one more. Perfect guys, this is out now. Let's come a little bit back. Okay, like that. We guys have now a few mounts, so grab it like that. Okay, and start pulling it out guys. Okay, let's see what else I have holding here, because it's supposed to come already and it's a little bit stuck here guys. Okay, perfect, you can see it came loose on this side now. I got in here, so I need to get it out now. It looks like it's still holding a little bit on this side, and the hose clamp is not loose all the way. Okay, and the whole assembly, and we have one vacuum line, came out. You can see just like that guys. That's the whole assembly out of here. You have to be careful not to break your vacuum line where it attaches there as well. Careful not to drop anything inside your engine, because that could be catastrophic guys. So now we can guys continue. And the thermostat, where is your thermostat located? Looking at the vehicle guys, okay, this thing right here, this is okay your thermostat guys. Okay, that device right here is where your thermostat is. You can see where the wire goes in. This is your thermostat guys, so that's how you get to it. Now if you need to remove and replace it, we'll have the whole video as I said on our main channel how to repair, guys. Check it out. You have to safely drain your coolant. You shouldn't do that when the engine is cold. It's very poisonous. Coolant can kill you guys and can burn you severely. So we'll have the video, we'll have the links for the parts in the description of the video below. Please check it out as well, guys. After you replace the thermostat, it's super important to bleed your cooling system the correct way. Why? Simply because if you don't do it the right way, guys, what's going to happen? Okay, you're going to overheat your engine and you will end up putting a head gasket and rebuilding your cylinder head. So you want to make sure that you follow the bleeding procedure as well on the channel. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.